In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add upsell in Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to install an upsell app, enable a simple discount to encourage customers to accept the offer, and customize the experience so it matches your brand. First, open the Shopify website in your browser and sign in to your Shopify admin. From here, you'll access the Apps section to find and add an upsell app. Upsells are those targeted suggestions that appear right when a shopper is most likely to say yes on the product page, in the cart, or after checkout, so adding the right app can meaningfully increase your average order value. Next, search for your preferred upsell app in the Shopify App Store. When you find the app you're looking for, click into its listing. Take a moment to scan the overview so you understand what placements it supports and whether it fits your store's needs. You'll also see the permissions it requests and any pricing details. When you're comfortable, continue to the install process. Click Install to add the app to your store. Shopify will guide you through a quick confirmation screen. Approve the permissions so the app can display offers where needed, and you'll land in the app's setup dashboard. Here, you can enable a discount to encourage customers to take the offer. Look for the discount toggle or settings area within the app. A small incentive often converts very well. A percentage off or a small fixed amount works great. Choose a discount type that aligns with your margins and keep it simple and clear. If the app lets you add a short message, explain the value in plain language, like "add this now and save." Feel free to customize the app to match your brand. Adjust the offer title, description, product image, and button text so the message sounds like your store. Check the placement options, whether the offer appears on product pages, the cart, or a post-purchase screen, and pick what suits your customer journey. Keep the design consistent with your theme colors and fonts, and preview the mobile view to ensure everything looks clean on smaller screens. Clear, benefit-focused wording and a single, obvious call to action can make a big difference. Once you're happy with the settings, click Save. Saving locks in your discount, your design, and your placement, and ensures the upsell is ready to go live in your store. Remember, you can return to the app anytime to refine the offer, tweak the discount, or test different copy as you learn what performs best. That's it. Your Shopify upsell is added, discounted, customized, and saved.